Hello students. Now today we are going to learn about the number line, the coordinates, distance and collinearity between the points. Now first of all, look at this number line. Now here you can see the letters associated with each number on the line. The point O represents the number 0. Okay? This means that the coordinate of point O is 0. Now, the point P represents the number -1 on the number line. Hence, the coordinate of point P is -1. Now, tell me the coordinates of point D, T and U.
The coordinate of point D is 4.
Correct. Yes, you tell me.
The coordinate of point T is -5.
-5. Correct. And?
The coordinate of point U is -6.
Perfect. Very good.
Yes.
Now that you have understood what the coordinates are, let's learn how to measure the distance between 2 points. Okay? Now see, suppose we need to measure the distance between S and point G. Now in this case, what we can try is, you can directly go and count the units between the points S and G from the number line itself. Okay, let's count it together. Now here, this is S and this is G. Let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the distance between point S and point G is 11 units. Got it? Now try to measure the distance between the points R and B. Come on.
The distance between R and B is 5 units.
Perfect. Now let's learn to find the distance between the 2 points using their coordinates. Okay? Now to find the distance between 2 points, we need to subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. Remember this rule. Okay?
Yes.
Now for example, we need to find the distance between the point T and D. Okay? Now in this case, the coordinate of T is -5, correct? And coordinate of point D is +4. Now here, -5 is less than +4. That is, 4 is greater than -5. Okay? Now in this case, we have to subtract -5 from 4. So what do we get? 4 minus -5, that is 4 plus 5 equal to 9 units. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So therefore, the distance between the points T and D is 9 units. Got it? See, basically you can draw the number line and verify this by measuring. Now in this example, the distance between T and D is represented as distance T, D. Okay? And this distance is also the length of the line segment TD. Therefore, distance TD is equal to 9 units. That is, length of TD is equal to 9 units. Now, tell me what would be the distance between point V and point O?
Solution. The coordinate of V is -7 and the coordinate of O is 0. 0 is greater than -7. Therefore, distance of V and O is equal to 0. -7 is equal to 0. Plus 7 is equal to 7 units.
Correct. This is correct answer. Okay. So basically, distance VO is equal to 7 units. Therefore, length VO is also 7 units. Understood? Okay. Now suppose we need to find the distance between the points A and B, but they are same points. Then in that case, distance AB would be 0. So remember, the distance between two distinct points is always a non-negative number. I hope you have understood this concept clearly now. Yeah?
Yes.
Now we are going to discuss about the property called as betweenness. Okay. Now to understand this more clearly, we have here this pen, pencil and eraser. I am going to place these objects on the table and then you have to tell me which object is between the other two. Now first, let me keep it like this. Okay. Now Vijay, you first tell me which object among these three is between the other two objects?
The pencil is between the pen and the eraser.
Very good. Okay. Now I'll make the changes again. Now Dhananjay, you tell me.
The eraser is between the pen and the pencil.
Correct. Okay, let me rearrange this again. Okay, now Parth, you tell me.
Here, the pen is between the pencil and the eraser.
Now let's understand this concept with one more example. Okay. Now here I'm going to draw a number line with three distinct collinear points on it. Okay. See. These are the three distinct collinear points A, B and C. Now this will be the first possibility. Vijay, tell me, what do you see here?
Here, the point B is between points A and C.
Correct. Okay. Now let's draw the second possibility. Yes. Dhananjay, you tell me.
Here, the point C is between point A and B.
Correct. Now let's go for the third one. Okay. Now Parth, you tell me.
Here, point A is between points B and C.
Correct. Okay. Now see, if A, B and C are three collinear points and distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC, then point B is between A and C. This condition is represented as A dash B dash C. Understood? Let's solve few examples based on this concept. Now for example, on a number line we have L, M and N points such that distance LM is equal to 7 units, distance MN equal to 8 units and distance LN is equal to 15 units. Now tell me which point is between the other two?
Given data, D, LM is equal to 7. D, MN is equal to 8. D, LN is equal to 15. The largest distance is D, LN is equal to 15. Statement 1. Adding the other two distances. Therefore, D, LM plus D, MN is equal to 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Statement 2. Therefore, D, LN is equal to D, LM plus D MN from equations 1 and 2. So, point M is between points L and N.
Very good, very good. Okay, let's go with another example. Okay, now see, a point P on the number line has the coordinate of -3. Okay, we have to find the coordinates of the points that are at a distance of 8 units from P on the same line.
Solution. The coordinate of point Q, which is to the left of point P, is equal to -3 minus 8 is equal to -11. The coordinate of point R, which is to the right of point P, is equal to -3 plus 8 is equal to 5. Thus, the coordinates of the points that are at a distance of 8 units from P are -11 and 5. Let's verify. Distance P and Q is equal to -3 minus 11 is equal to -3 plus 11 is equal to 8. Distance of P and R is equal to 5 minus -3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Thus, distance of P and Q is equal to distance of P and R.
Excellent, very well. Okay, so now today we have learned what are the coordinates of the points, how to measure the distance between the 2 points, and what is the betweenness within the points using the number line. Okay, now to understand these concepts more clearly, solve such examples. Okay,
Yes.
let's meet again. What did we learn? To find the distance between 2 points, subtract the smaller coordinate from the larger one. The distance between any 2 points is a non-negative real number. If distance between AB plus distance between BC is equal to distance AC, then B is between A and C. Exercise. If M is between the points L and N and distance LN is equal to 14 units, distance MN equal to 6 units, then find distance LM. If length PT is equal to 9 units, length TR is equal to 17 units, and length PR is equal to 8 units, then determine which point lies between the other 2 points. If the given points are non-collinear, state so. The coordinate of point M on a number line is 4. Find the coordinates of the points that are at a distance of 7 units from M on the same line. If length PQ equal to 7 units, length QR is equal to 11 units, and length PR is equal to 20 units, determine whether points P, Q and R are collinear. If they are collinear, find which point lies between the other 2 points. If the given points are not collinear, state so.